Have you ever looked at a friend who seems to pack on muscle just by looking at a dumbbell? It can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're putting in the same, if not more, effort and not seeing the same results. They eat whatever they want, barely break a sweat at the gym, and still sport biceps bigger than your head. It almost feels like they have some secret advantage, an edge that you just can't seem to find. Meanwhile, you're busting your butt in the gym, eating a perfectly balanced diet, and still struggling to see significant gains. You follow every piece of advice, every workout plan, and yet the results are minimal. It's enough to make you wonder if you're cursed with inferior muscle-building genetics. The frustration can be overwhelming, leading you to question your efforts and even your potential. The truth is, genetics play a crucial role in muscle growth. They are the unseen factors that can significantly influence your progress. Your DNA is like a blueprint that determines your body's natural predisposition for building muscle. It's a complex map that guides how your body responds to training and nutrition. It influences everything from your muscle fiber type to your recovery rate. However, don't despair. Understanding these genetic factors can actually be empowering. Just because you may not have won the genetic lottery doesn't mean you're destined for a life of mediocrity at the gym. With the right knowledge and approach, you can still achieve impressive results. Understanding how genetics influence muscle growth can empower you to train smarter and maximize your own muscle-building potential. It's about working with your body, not against it. This essay will delve into the fascinating world of genetics and muscle growth, providing you with the knowledge and tools to sculpt the physique of your dreams regardless of your genetic starting point. We'll explore how to tailor your training and nutrition to your unique genetic makeup. So are you ready to unlock the secrets of your genetic code and unleash your inner bodybuilder? Let's dive in and discover how to make the most of what you've got. Imagine your DNA as a vast library filled with countless books, each containing instructions that dictate how your body functions. These books are meticulously organized, each one holding the secrets to different aspects of your physiology, from the color of your eyes to the strength of your muscles. These instructions are organized into genes, which act as individual blueprints for specific proteins. Each gene is like a chapter in one of those books, detailing the construction of proteins that perform a myriad of functions in your body. Proteins are the workhorses of your body, playing vital roles in muscle growth, repair, and overall health. They are the building blocks that make up your muscles, and without them, your body wouldn't be able to function properly. When it comes to muscle growth, several key genes come into play. These genes are like the master architects, designing and overseeing the construction of your muscle tissue. These genes influence various aspects of muscle development, including muscle fiber type, hormone production, and recovery capacity. Let's break it down and explore some of the most important genes involved in this intricate process. Myostatin. This gene acts as a brake on muscle growth. It regulates the size of your muscles by inhibiting excessive growth, ensuring that your muscles don't grow uncontrollably. Individuals with naturally lower myostatin levels tend to have a greater capacity for building muscle mass. This genetic variation can give them a significant advantage in strength and muscle-building activities. IGF-1, insulin-like growth factor 1, IGF-1, is a hormone that plays a crucial role in muscle growth and repair. It promotes the proliferation and differentiation of muscle cells, aiding in the recovery and growth of muscle tissue after exercise. Genetic variations can influence IGF-1 levels, impacting muscle growth potential. Higher levels of IGF-1 can enhance muscle growth, while lower levels might limit it. ACTN3, this gene is involved in the production of a protein called alpha-actinin 3, which is found in fast-twitch muscle fibers. These fibers are crucial for explosive movements and high-intensity activities. Variations in the ACTN3 gene can influence an individual's proportion of fast-twitch to slow-twitch muscle fibers. This can affect their performance in different types of physical activities, from sprinting to endurance sports. These are just a few examples of how your genetic makeup can influence muscle growth. Your genes provide the blueprint, but your lifestyle and training can significantly impact how these blueprints are realized. While you can't change your genes, understanding their influence can help you optimize your training and nutrition to work with, not against, your genetic predisposition. By tailoring your approach, you can maximize your potential and achieve your fitness goals more effectively. Not all muscle fibers are created equal. They vary significantly in their structure and function, which in turn affects athletic performance. In fact, there are two main types of muscle fibers: slow twitch, or type 1, and fast twitch, or type 2. Each type has unique characteristics that make them suitable for different kinds of physical activities. Slow twitch fibers, as their name suggests, contract slowly and are resistant to fatigue. They are packed with mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell, which helps them sustain prolonged activity. They excel at endurance activities like long-distance running and cycling. These fibers are essential for athletes who need to maintain a steady pace over long periods. On the other hand, fast twitch fibers contract rapidly and generate significant force, making them ideal for explosive movements like sprinting and weightlifting. These fibers are larger in diameter and can produce more power in a short burst. Within the fast twitch category, there are two subtypes: type 2 and type 1. Type 2 fibers are a hybrid, offering a balance between power and endurance. Type 2 fibers are more fatigue-resistant than type 1 fibers, which are the most powerful but also the most easily fatigued. Type 1 fibers are designed for short, high-intensity activities. Your genetic makeup determines your muscle fiber type ratio. This genetic predisposition can influence your natural abilities and the types of sports you may excel in. Some individuals are genetically predisposed to have a higher proportion of slow twitch fibers, making them naturally better at endurance activities. This can be a significant advantage in sports that require stamina. Others may have a higher proportion of fast twitch fibers, giving them an edge in strength and power sports. These individuals often excel in activities that require quick, explosive movements. So how can you determine your muscle fiber type? Understanding your muscle composition can help tailor your training for optimal performance. While a muscle biopsy is the most accurate method, it's not exactly practical for the average gym-goer. This invasive procedure is typically reserved for scientific research and elite athletes. A simpler approach is to observe your natural strengths and weaknesses. Pay attention to the types of activities you excel in and those you find more challenging. Do you excel at endurance activities or explosive movements? This self-assessment can provide valuable insights into your muscle fiber composition. This can give you valuable clues about your muscle fiber type distribution. By understanding your muscle fiber makeup, you can optimize your training and improve your athletic performance. Section 4. Recovery and growth, the genetic edge. Recovery is just as crucial as training when it comes to muscle growth. After all, it's during the recovery period that your muscles repair and rebuild themselves, becoming bigger and stronger. Genetics can significantly influence your body's recovery capacity. Factors like hormone levels, inflammation response, and nutrient partitioning are all influenced by your genes. Individuals with favorable genetics may recover faster from workouts, allowing them to train more frequently and with greater intensity. They may also experience less muscle soreness and inflammation, enabling them to push their bodies harder. Moreover, genetics can impact nutrient partitioning, which refers to how your body utilizes nutrients after you consume them. Some individuals are genetically predisposed to shuttle nutrients towards muscle growth, while others may store more calories as fat. This can significantly impact muscle building efficiency. While you can't change your genetics, you can optimize your recovery strategies to maximize your muscle building potential. This includes prioritizing sleep, managing stress levels, and consuming a nutrient-rich diet to support muscle repair and growth. Section 5. Training to your genetic potential, tips for everyone.